If you're like me, you've probably always wanted to know how to install cabinet doors. I've never wanted to know that. I've always only wanted to know somebody who knew how to do that, actually. So they're going to show us how. If you're not like me, you can learn how to install cabinet doors.
Learn
this
from
week
the mastress.
On the Foxhole.
Learn from the mastress, the master, and Shemeika.
All right, Kelsey, what's up?
Okay, so we got all of our doors back from the finisher. Beautiful walnut with a clear coat. And before we took them to the finisher, we drilled these hinge bore holes in them. And the two pieces of hardware we're going to be using are these clips and the hinges themselves. So we start by putting our hinges in. They just fit right in. You put them down a little bit.
You don't need any glue or anything?
No glue, just in case you need to take them off. And then you use your thumbs to clip them in. And they pair with the clips, which are these little mechanisms. And you just put these in as well. And then you take the door over to its right spot. And Amy likes to aim match all of these doors, which means when they are closed next to each other, you'll be able to tell that it's cut from one piece of wood. So we already put in all these other doors. Yeah, usually these clips wouldn't be attached, like I just was able to clip it in and out. When you first put on the door, you just hold the door up with the clips in and then screw the clips to the side of the cabinet.
That was very graceful. Bloom soft close.
Bloom soft close. And then if you want to adjust the cabinet to make sure that there's an even amount of space around the door, there is adjustments on the soft close that we use this special screwdriver to manipulate how the door hangs. So this back one makes it come forward and back depending on which way you turn your screwdriver. Right makes it go back. This front screw brings the door, pushes it out or in. That way you can kind of turn it like up or down, depending on what you need as far as adjustment goes. Like if this gap is too big in the middle, it's a little bit more than 1/8 inch, it looks like. We want that to be tighter, so we're gonna bring the door out a little bit. You just want to remember how much you turn, and you can kind of mirror that for the other side. No big deal.
That is
very big deal.
Beautiful. So book matched walnut cabinet island. Well, there you have it. This week in the Foxhole, Kelsey Forrest, the woodworker mastress, has just demonstrated how to install the most beautiful book matched walnut cabinet doors. If you are like me and don't want to do this kind of work, call them. This week in the Foxhole.
This week in the Foxhole.
You have to say what
this week.
What are we doing?
In the Foxhole.
We have a
guest appearance.
We have a special guest from the one and only Kelsey Forrest.
Woo!